Derma Sciences is headquartered in Princeton, New Jersey, and we're a wound care company. We manufacture everything from basic gauze bandages to active dressings for treating chronic, non-healing wounds. We have 165 employees, a manufacturing plant in Toronto, outside of Toronto, Canada, and one in China, and one in a joint venture in Mexico. And that's where we manufacture our products. We manufacture over 2,200 SKUs. And in the last few years, we've spent the majority of our investment on our new novel advanced wound care products led by our MediHoney line of dressings. So the characteristics of leptospermum honey, in addition to continuing to be active in the dressing for the life of the dressing, it also is anti-inflammatory, creates a soothing effect in the wound, prevents malodor or odor from occurring in a wound, and it is a natural debriding agent. It's highly osmotic and helps draw fluid out of the wound that helps the healing process. DSC-127 is a topical wound healing agent that began phase 2 trial late last year. The phase 2 trial has an endpoint of the closure of diabetic ulcers. So this is a little different product than has been developed at Derma Sciences in the past, in that it is, number one, a drug, so it will have to go through a phase 2 and phase 3 trial, an NDA, but we'll have a pharmaceutical indication, which will make it quite a valuable product for Derma Sciences. In 2008, Derma Sciences achieved revenues of just a little north of $50 million. The majority of that $50 million came from our mature product lines, our commodity products, things that are not necessarily unique to Derma Sciences, but are very effective products and are cost competitive in the wound care community. That consists of traditional wound care, which are everything from gauze bandages to operating room dressings, wound closure and securement. We have a mature line of wound closure strips and devices that are used to hold specialty catheters in place. Derma Sciences has been fortunate enough over the last 5 or 6 years to develop a very robust OEM private label manufacturing business. So we make almost $10 million of products, dressings for other companies, and our expertise in that area is impregnating dressings. And we also, at the end of 2007, acquired our first aid division for several reasons. The first aid division allows us to cross over into the consumer and retail markets and bring not only the adhesive bandages that are part of that product line, but our wound dressings as well. So our commodity business is very important to us because it generates the cash flow that allows us to invest in the novel new advanced wound care products. We at Derma Sciences feel the timing of our going out into the investment community to tell our story couldn't be more appropriate than right now. MediHoney has been on the market for 18 months and now has a proven history of growth and success on treating some very difficult wounds. DSC-127 is about 1/3 of the way through the enrollment in its phase 2 trial, and we can talk a little more about its potential for success. And our commodity business is stronger than it's ever been with the addition of our first aid division and some of the crossover that we're seeing to new dressings and new entrees into the consumer market. So it's a good time for people to hear about Derma Sciences.